Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to the Pepe update. So Pepe yesterday told you that the highest you can go for Pepe is basically up to this trend line right here, and you just nearly went to the trend line but you didn't really touch it at all. And if you see the bigger picture on the daily here, it pretty much I'm just going to remove that and that as well so that I can show you in just a second here, this one, and we also need to remove gosh, okay, it's not being clicked, and this as well. Okay, so on the daily you can already see that this was your trend line, and this trend line is probably being met right now. So you have 1, 2 and 3 right there, and the fourth one right over here as well. So the pump has already happened, the technical targets are met, the bull flag already played out, and of course now this thing is really overbought at the moment. And today what we have latest is a bearish spinning top. Okay, so this is known as a bearish spinning top, and this right over here is formed after the the 3 white soldiers, and then you went to the upside. So anytime you see an uptrend happening and then you have a candle known as a spinning bearish spinning top, these are dojis. And of course dojis, again, they're meant for decision time. And I do believe that from this point onwards, we may see a correction to the downside, and maybe even move a little bit more to the downside, if you want to put it that way. And another thing is, on the RSI, again, the RSI has been broken for the very first time. So you're looking for the break of the RSI, and that's what I was talking about previously. This historically was looking like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a potential another move down. Then Bitcoin happened. I don't know, the market got crazy. Bitcoin actually came in to save the day for the altcoins. We saw this push to the upside, and this for the very first time you've broken above the RSI. Now, the next thing to talk about is that we may see the RSI coming down for the retest right over there. Okay, simple. It's a channel of the, this is channel, these are known as channels. You break above the channel, you may come down for the retest. Another thing is that that retest is actually this demand box. Now this is positive and this is good, okay? If you want to see a healthy market, if you want to see a good market, break above something and go down for the retest, just the same way you broke below it and you went up for the retest. Okay, second time. Now the thing is, we want to see another retest of this demand box. It's really crucial and really important. I do believe that this is where a lot of people have their stop loss. You can see that this wick here is where people may have their stop loss. Eventually in the future, the market psychologist does say and suggest that this stop losses are meant to taken away, and that's why you retest is. Maybe this is another entry opportunity if you do hold it, and then in the future just break above it. And that's it for this update on Pepe. There are some few more days to close the signals. And by the way, I have mentioned 3 coins in my private. I made a private video for my members giving them 3 coins that may double and 2x their money in the next 6 months for anyone who didn't take Chainlink trade. And that's it. If you want to join it, do message me on Twitter, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.